Hey, have you seen eCalcs, the integrated health calculators that Galen created?
Is it like having the Framingham Risk Calculator built into the Allscripts Enterprise EHR?
Exactly, for Framingham and all the top calculators. eCalcs are integrated into the EHR. They pull in my patient's chart info, and I can document the risk scores back into their chart with a single click.
So, I don't need to retype the patient's age, last lab values and vital signs into eCalcs?
You're smart. You must be a doctor.
Very funny. You know, we have all been disappointed by software in the past.
eCalcs is legit. I show the patient their risk score. Then I can graph it in a flow sheet and add it to their note.
I want to get eCalcs right now.
Absolutely. You can learn more by going to wiki.galenhealthcare.com/eCalcs.
Thank you.